Okay, it's Tuesday, and y'all know what that means. Welcome back to another edition of Canteen Cup Tuesday. This is going to be just a little bit different, so watch what I'm doing. Can't forget that. What's up with this? Well, funny you should ask. There's a story behind this. Okay, so here's what gives. After several years, many years of having heartburn and acid reflux and coughing, you know, at night and drinking baking soda and antacids and stuff like that, I developed a bit of a hiatal hernia. That's when your upper stomach kind of pokes through your diaphragm, and that has led to a condition known as Barrett's esophagus. Now, Barrett's esophagus in and of itself is not really a very serious condition. However, it is the precancerous condition to esophageal cancer. So if I don't do anything and bury my head in the sand for 20 years, I'm probably gonna get esophageal cancer. And when you do that, you can cancel Christmas, you're dead. So I elected to have some abdominal surgery where they're gonna fix my hiatal hernia, and they're gonna put a little thing around my upper esophagus known as a lynx. It's about the size of a quarter, you know, and it looks like a little bracelet, only it's made out of magnets. And when you eat something and swallow something, it expands and lets the food through, and then it contracts again, so no acid gets up there. Okay, so that's how they fix your acid reflux. And no, my acid reflux didn't come from years of Vienna sausages and hot sauce. You might think so, but no, that's not what did it. After this, I'll be able to eat all that stuff. But today is Tuesday, and in 1 week, on December 6th, I got to go into the hospital to do this procedure. Hence, this is where the giveaway comes in. I got to take a sip of my lunch or dinner. It's actually not bad. So here's where the thing is. I got to go in for my surgery, and for a week before the surgery, I got to go on a solid liquid diet. No nothing. I mean, protein drinks, water, coffee, tea, like clear broth, nothing with any solids in it at all. I guess they don't want nothing in there when they're doing abdominal surgery for you. So here's where, and that's not a big deal. And after the operation, I'm gonna have to be on like really light food for 6 weeks, you know, so I'm gonna lose a little weight. So here's where the contest is gonna come out. I stepped on the scale right before I came out here, and I was 193 pounds. Now, I'm gonna go in for the procedure next Tuesday on December 6th. Wish me luck, everybody. I don't think I'll have any problem at all. And they're gonna keep me overnight. So when I come home on December 7th, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna step on the scale and I'm gonna record my weight when I come home. If you wanna play in the contest, just leave me a comment down below on how much weight you think I'm gonna lose and what you think my weight will be first thing on Wednesday, December 7th. And the winner, if somebody gets it right on the nose, or if 2 people get it right on the nose, then we'll have I'll do a coin flip. But the winner will get their own Florida Boy Survival Canteen Cup, and I'm gonna send you this very Canteen Cup. I'm gonna wash it, of course, but you will get in the mail from me this lightly used, if you want it, Canteen Cup. This is a kind of a fun way to go through the stupidity of my week-long liquid diet. And I should be good as new. I should be good as new after they do this Lynx procedure. And my acid reflux and my heartburn was getting really, really bad. And that's why my voice is like this, because at night when I lay down, I get all of the gas from the stomach acid and stuff comes up, and it's just killing my vocal cords. So hopefully my voice will come back, and hopefully I'll be all better. After they do this next year, in 2023, what they do then is they do what's called an ablation. They stick a thing down my throat and they actually burn out all of the precancerous cells on my esophagus. They burn them out, and underneath them is brand new stuff. So after they do this, they do the ablation, burn all the bad stuff, and the new stuff grows in. I'm good as new. I'm good as new. So let's play along, everybody. Let's see if you can guess what my weight's gonna be. I was 193 pounds right before I came out to do this video, and it is 3 p.m. right on the nose Eastern Standard Time. And I have had nothing today except 3 cups of coffee and some water and some protein drink at Publix. And this is lunch and dinner combined. So that's actually pretty good. If you want to play along and you want to win that Canteen Cup, the old Florida Boy Survival Memorial Canteen Cup. This is not Old Faithful, by the way. This is another GI Canteen Cup that I have, and I'm not doing anything with it. So if you want to play along, guess what weight I'm going to be on December 7th, and I'll try to post a video on December 7th if I feel good enough to do it, but know that that's the day I'm coming home from the hospital. So I am going to weigh myself. I'll try to get a video out and see what the final weight is and see if you won. But here we go. Happy Canteen Cup Tuesday. Everybody wish me luck on December 6th, next Tuesday. I wonder how this would be with hot sauce in it. I'm not going to do that. Because this is strawberry. It wouldn't be very good with Cristal hot sauce in it. That is pretty good. So everybody play along. If you want to guess my weight, I was 193 before I came out. What do you think I'll be the morning of December 7th, next Wednesday? And I'll send you that Canteen Cup. So everybody wish me luck, and I'll try to give you a report next Wednesday. But here I go. There's not going to be any Canteen Cup Tuesdays for a while, because they're all going to be liquid Canteen Cups, other than, you know, maybe applesauce or oatmeal or something like that. But it's going to be kind of tough. So once again, coming to you on Canteen Cup Tuesday, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy, and I will see you on the trail.